So in the problem, the product of two numbers, that is 120, okay, and sum of their squares will be 289. So here product means into, and product of two numbers, we don't know those two numbers, so you can take any a and b. So multiplication of two numbers is equal to sum 120, and sum of their squares, so we have to add their squares, okay. So it is equal to 289. Then we have to find the what are those numbers. Here when we are having these type of problems, okay, this type of problems, so here we are having variable 1 and variable 2. So a comma b are two variables, okay, and we are having their product and the sum of their squares. Therefore to get the a comma b, we should get a plus b value and also a minus b. So whenever we are having, okay, sum of these two variables and difference of these two on solving, okay, so on cancellation we get 2a is equal to some value, okay. Now coming to the answer, okay, I am taking the numbers are, you can take any variable, some a comma b. So by the problem I am writing a into b is equal to 120, okay. So product of two numbers is equal to 120. Now sum of their squares, okay, a power 2 plus b power 2 is equal to 289, okay. So product of two variables is equal to 120. Sum of their squares is equal to 289. Now here we should get a plus b. How can we get a plus b? So on writing a plus b whole square, okay. Now a plus b whole power 2. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab, okay. To get the a plus b, we have to get the a plus b whole square. Now we already know that a square plus b square, that it is equal to 289 given, plus 2 into, what is the a into b value? That is 120, okay. So 289 plus 12 2 jana 240. So total, so 9 plus 2, okay. So a plus b is equal to, a plus b whole power 2 is equal to 529. So we should get the only a plus b value now. So applying roots on both sides. So a plus b is equal to root of 529, okay. Now finding the square root na. So 529, okay, in the division method. So we are grouping these two numbers. So we are left over with the only one digit, that is 5. So the perfect square near to the 5 is 4, okay. 4 is the perfect square which is nearby 5. So we are getting 4 on multiplying 2 with 2, okay na. 2 into 2 4. On subtraction we get 1, okay. We have to drop down these two numbers at a time, okay. So we got 129. Now here whatever the number in the quotient, we have to double it. So 2 2 ja 4. Now we have to take a number, okay. Whatever we take here, it will be taken here. So 1 into 41 41. So 129 and 41, okay. So 41 is very low number compared to the 129. So I am taking 2 here. So 42 into 2, that is 84, okay, somewhat near to the 129. Now I am taking 43 into 3. We are going by the trial and error, okay. Now 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So it is exactly matching the 129. So I am taking, okay. So here 3, whatever we take here, we write, okay. So 3, here also we are getting 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, okay. Now here, now, so square root of 529, that is a plus b value we got, that is 23, okay. That is the equation 1. Now one more, as we got a plus b value na, we also have to find the a minus b. Similarly to a minus b, we are writing a minus b whole power 2 is equal to, on expansion, a power 2 plus b power 2 minus 2ab, okay. Now we know that a power 2 plus b power 2, that is 289, minus 2 into a into b value 120, okay. So 289 minus 240, therefore we are left over with the 49. A minus b whole power 2 na, therefore what is the a minus b value? That is root 49, okay. A minus b is equal to 7, okay. So we got it 2, okay. So we got a plus b value and we got a minus b value. So on solving, okay, 1 and 2, so I am writing a plus b is equal to 23 and a minus b is equal to 7, okay. So we are simply adding, okay. Now, so positive negative cancel. So what is the answer here? 2a is equal to 23 plus 7, 30. Therefore a is equal to 15, okay. So we got the a value. Now to find the b value, okay, so we already know that a minus b is equal to 7 na, from equation 2. So we are putting a value. So 15 minus b is equal to 7. So we have to find the b, but it is in negative form na. So on transposing, 15 minus 7 is equal to b. Therefore 8 is equal to b. B is equal to 8. Therefore the numbers are a is equal to 15 comma b is equal to 8. We can also verify these two numbers, okay. That's it.